Hi, Bill Collins here, Interstate Truck Driving School. We just got a delivery here, so I want to check this out. Not real sure what's going on here. We get a lot of materials that we use in our classes and stuff, so who knows, this might be a new textbook or something, not real sure. But let's see what we got here. Oh, this is awesome. Check this out. We got some new hats. New hats with the Interstate logo on them. Boy, this is exciting. Now there's a backstory to these hats. You notice that it's a camo blue. So here's what's synchronistic about getting this delivery today. The reason that I ordered the navy camo is a tribute to my father, who just coincidentally was born 99 years ago today. I lost him about 35 years ago. He died in 1984. Miss him every day since. The reason for the navy camo is my dad was a Navy pilot. In fact, he was very highly decorated. You could Google my dad, William Neal Collins. He was awarded the Navy Cross, the Silver Star Medal, Distinguished Flying Cross, 4 Air Medals, and the Purple Heart. My dad was a World War II hero. He flew a torpedo bomber off of a carrier in the Pacific and was involved in some action that achieved him all of these awards. So I've missed my dad all these years since he's been gone. It's too bad he can't be here to see what we're accomplishing at Interstate Truck Driving School. So we're real proud of what we do here, helping people empower them with their ability to make a decent living. And that's the kind of thing that my dad would have been proud of. So I'm Bill Collins, Interstate Truck Driving School. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. More important, have a safe day.